second clip here. Obviously this is raw footage, so some of these moves will be cut out, and then they'll pick up like we'll pick up like right here. For a shot, and then once we get around here, around the curve here in just a second, got some really cool angles of the unit working and the actual material falling out on the conveyor as when it goes away, when the sunlight hits the back of the buggy just right.
I have to stop the clip. So.
And see from this angle, you can really see the material falling out. Gives a cool perspective. Sunlight really hitting it there. And to give you an idea of the country we're in, here's a flyby. We're in the middle of nowhere. Hope you like it, man. We got a lot of work to do yet, but it'll give you an idea of what we got going on.